Hey, this is Chap Ornoa. Today I wanted to give you a free checklist, okay? It's called the Ultimate Word of Mouth and Referral Marketing Checklist. Over the past months, I've had a lot of people send us support tickets and just get in contact with us and ask us questions about, different topics. And what I did is I decided to put together some checklists, okay? So the checklist that I have for you guys today that's 100% free, you can see right here. It's on my plrproductsforsale.com website. You can go check out the website, but below this video, I'll actually have a link that you can actually click on and you can come download it. It is 100% free. You can see right there, $0 right there. You just click right here. Then you add your email so you can get it sent to you and you will get this, okay? And like I said, this is going to help you turn your happy customers into brand advocates and referral sources. So basically, the happier your customers are, the more they're going to promote your products and services, so that's why I put together this particular checklist. You can scroll down. You can just read more about like how this checklist is going to help you. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you, I basically created 20 of these. Okay. So I'll make a video for each one, and give you guys links for them. Or once you go to the site, you can actually, I'll put another link there that you can actually see all 20 of them. But you can just go there and you can just download every single one of them, okay? But today, this video is about the ultimate word of mouth and referral marketing checklist, okay? So if you want to, click the link below and you will get access to this for 100% free. Thanks again. Hope this helps you in your business. And if you have any kind of questions or anything like that below this video, post your comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.